what factors contributed to the record global gold demand of 4,974.5 metric tons in 2024? And how do you foresee this trend evolving in the coming year?
Hello, I would like to start by that the gold has just hit like few hours ago the highest point of 2,877, and now we see it hitting another record with 2,878, and that's a new record for the gold prices. We see it like all the investors in the stock markets are heading to invest in gold as a safe haven for investment. That's a point now. We are seeing many threats for the economy of Canada, Mexico, China. We see imposing custom duties on these three countries from the United States. We are still watching the economic condition of the United States, how things will be going, the inflation of the United States, how the curves will be going for the inflation. From my own point of view, that economic sanctions on Chinese imports to the United States that will affect the inflation in the United States, and it will make it higher and higher. So that's why I see that the investors are hitting to gold and precious metal as a safe side for them or safe haven for investment.
Mm-hmm. Mr. Wassef, central banks have been aggressively increasing their gold reserves. Poland added 90 tons in the fourth quarter. What do you think is driving this shift, and how sustainable is this? Do you expect other European countries to also add more tons of gold to their reserves, maybe eyeing a potential U.S. tariffs being imposed against European states?
Yes, the countries, the central banks of many countries are now putting their reserves in gold as a safe reserve, because we see that economic global is changing, especially with the United States, with the European Union. So that's why we see like a country like China with keeping many reserves in the first half of last year. We see Poland already had a lot of gold. Egypt as well is keeping some gold reserves, buying gold reserves. So we see it like the safe side, and it's like a belief for the countries is that they have the foreign currency as well as gold as safe side for their economy.
Mm-hmm. Well, the gold prices surged by 27% in 2024, and you've pointed out to the increase that actually took place moments ago. Now, this is the biggest jump since 2010. You've informed us about the main factors that contributed to this increase, but do you expect gold prices to maintain this upward trajectory in 2025? And if so, then for how long and by how much?
Okay, I will tell you something that will answer the question. Since 1st of January, gold price has been increasing for around $250. That means around 10% increase since the beginning of the year. And this is like a big increase. We see today only 1.22% increase in the gold. Yesterday we saw the same number. Every day we are seeing an increase in the gold price. So this is, I see it like an arrow of the gold price for the 2025. How is it going? How it will be going according to that arrow. I think the gold is close to hit new records more and more and more.
Mm-hmm. So now, how significant really was the impact of China's retaliatory tariffs on the US and sparking the gold's all-time high? Do you believe the escalating trade tensions could continue to drive gold prices? Do you also believe that maybe other political developments taking place around the world would prompt many countries to increase their reserves in gold?
Yes. The answer is simply yes, because we will see that all the investors are going to invest in gold as a reserve for them, as a safe haven, as I told you before. So we'll see higher demand from the central banks to keep gold reserves. We'll see investors are going to gold as safe haven. We'll see normal people are buying physical gold as an investment for them when they see that the gold price is increasing. This is worldwide, not only in Egypt, but worldwide. We'll see many people are rushing to buy gold, and this will keep the